So I found these things to be just a tad annoying. Actually, no, they sound pretty good. It's just pretty loud. This is gonna be a street legal truck, and it sounds like it's at the racetrack the whole time, which is kind of cool, but kind of not. Decided to try something a little different, a little cheaper before I go spending 120 bucks on each muffler. So let's take a look at what we got. What are these? TOTALFLOW. Total. Some cheap $29, $25 Amazon mufflers. Kind of a Flowmaster knockoff, I guess. Welded on a couple of turn downs, just so they're not exhausting right onto the axle. Yeah, they were super shiny polished. I hated that, so gave them a little scuff, hit them with some VHT, what's that stuff? Superheat? Super Fahrenheit? I don't know. Fahrenheit? Maybe? What the hell is that? Flameproof. Flat black. And haven't even started them up yet. See what they sound like. Let's give it a listen. Sounds pretty good. Still running a bit rich though. Woo! Making my eyes want to water. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.